Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. We will continue in the same example, skip authentication filter. We talked about it in the previous video, but there is another way. If you want to do it genuinely from the script itself, you can remove from the configuration. If we go to the configuration, you can change the you can change the Okapi configuration for the enabled system auth from true to false and do it completely from the script. But in this case, you will not need to enable some modules. Like if we take the false from here, we don't need to have mood login and neither password validator. Mood auth token. I think these modules are not important anymore. And we can just rerun our script from here. So let's test it. Folio, start and enter. Right now, we will stop current running modules. I think I didn't need to do it. Yes, we deleted the deployed modules. We removed our mood auth token and mood permissions from the enable list, and we stopped Okapi and did rerun Okapi again, and now we start in our process phase and deploy mod permission with blah 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 on port and on 41. Okay, we did not manage to stop the modules. Okay, I see it. Let's go here and let's change this one to true. Yes, free allocated ports should be now true. I did it change it to false because it was annoying, but it seems important right now. So we need to stop everything. Stop running module with port some blah blah blah. As you see, there were modules which needed to be stopped, and these modules are not these ports are not used, so they are already stopped. I think now we can continue without problems. Moved everything. We stopped Okapi and did start Okapi again. Here is the command itself. We did run. If you want to have a look, what we did run actually. And now we're starting with mod permissions. We deployed the module. We enabled the module. Wait a little bit. Now you can skip this part to the end, as we simply will wait until the script finishes finish running. Now we continue to mode inventory storage, and as you see, we will skip some modules with the modules we disabled. If you go back, we disabled mood login and mood auth token and mood password validator. I remember this, and this. These three modules are now disabled, so we will skip them. Deploy mod users. We will check for the user. It exists. Okay, very nice. We go to mod configuration, and we jumped right away to mod pops up. Okay, mod pops up, and we will go directly to mod users BL. I think maybe this one will not be important. I don't know. It's very important for authentication, but maybe used for other purposes. I don't know. So I simply kept it enabled. Okay, we did finish the process, everything fine. Now we have mod inventory up and running. Let's test it. We don't have any token here. This is missing, here is missing. Let's try. Voila, very good. It worked. Okay, so we did see two ways to work with unauthenticated Okapi environment. The first one is more easy, maybe also more beneficial if you want to have everything up and running and you want to simply, for some cases, want to stop the authentication for specific debugging purpose and getting it back again. So we can do it from the IDE as we did in the previous video. Here we did it from the script completely without the IDE. We simply changed the configuration and removed modules related to login, like mode login, mode password validator, and mode auth token. The very important module which we need to remove is mode auth token. Mode login and mode password validator can be kept enabled. It will do nothing to harm the script from running, but it's very useful. It's recommended also to disable unused, unnecessary modules, because each module will take from your resources, from your CPU and from your memory. So we will try every time to only enable what we need, so we can work with script efficiently without problems. As you know, running too much modules will load your local machine, and we are not in the capability to run everything locally. Everything locally needs a very big, very high resources for memory and CPU as well. Okay, we did finish here. Thank you and see you in the next one.